Hello friends, welcome back to CAD practice. Today we are going to construct a 3D model of water bottle in Autodesk Inventor software. So let's get started with today's tutorial. Go to new, take a standard part in millimeter and go to create. Okay. Now go to 2D sketch and select the top plane. Rotate the view from here. Now go to rectangle command and select the 2-point center rectangle. Okay. Select the midpoint and make a rectangle of 200, tab 200. Okay. Now finish sketch. Now go to extrude command and give the dimension 350. 350 will be the height of extrude and OK. Now from here open the planes. Now select the XY plane. Go to create sketch and change the view. Go to view and from here change it to wireframe. Okay. Now go back to sketch. Take the line command. From here make a center line, join this, enter, and here make a dimension. First make a rough sketch. Now go to arc, make an arc here. Okay. Now give the dimensions. Give this as 38. Okay. And from this point to this point, this is also 38. The dimension of arc will be a radius of 250 and the distance of arc from center will be 152. Vertical distance of arc from bottom will be of 160. Okay, now this is fully defined. Now we want to revolve cut. So as this is an open profile, we want a close profile to revolve cut. Go to line, make a profile of 25 mm. Here take 215. Make a straight line and join here. Okay. Now this hole is a close profile. Right click on this and change it to construction geometry. Okay. Now only this profile is left. Go to 3D model. Go to extrude. Go to revolve. The axis will be the center line. This will revolve cut. Go to cut and OK. Now you can see the cut profile. Now we want to make this handle or the slot. So for this, go to top view. We will make a handle like this. Okay. Change it to home. Now we will make a plane over here. Go to plane, select this edge and select this edge. Go to top view. We want to make a diagonal plane. Okay. Go to home. Now go to create sketch. Go to create. Now from here take the center to center slot. Make a slot over here. Okay. For slot go to dimensions and take a radius of 25 mm, and the center to center height of this slot will be 75. The distance from bottom will be 100 mm and the distance from side will be 40 mm. Now this is fully defined. Now finish sketch and go to extrude and select this profile. As you can see, it is going outwards, but we want to cut this profile and we want to cut both sides, so go to symmetric. Now we will change the view, back to, now this time we will change the view to shaded. Okay, as this is an extrude cut, but we want a taper over here, so go to more. Here mention an angle of 10 degree, so this will be a taper of 10 degree. Rotate this will be a taper of 10 degree. This is the original slot, this is the tapered. Okay, here you can see from top, this is going taper of 10 degree. Okay, now okay. Now we will give the radius to all the edges. Select any edge and from here select the fillet. Take the radius as 30. Select all the corner edges. Select this. Okay. Select the bottom. Select this bottom and this last. Okay, and apply. Now you should give a color so it will be more clear. I will give light red. Now you can see the profiles. Here also we want to give the radius, so select this edge of the slot, go to radius, and here we will give a radius of 12. Okay, rotate it. Here also radius of 12 and okay. Now here the radius is left, so select this edge, go to fillet. Here select a radius of 10 radius and apply. Okay. Now as this bottle is closed from top, to open this bottle, go to 3D model, go to shell command and select only the top. The thickness will be 1 mm and okay. Go to top view. Now you can see this is hollow from inside. This is hollow profile from inside. Hide this, select this working plane, right click and turn off the visibility. So this was the basic model of water bottle in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.